There are two different types of tumors, benign and malignant. Benign tumors mean that the tumor itself is not cancerous and can easily be treated and removed without the threat of the disease of cancer. Malignant tumors, however, continue to grow and spread and are cancerous. Although there are many types of cancer treatments available today, many people ask, how can I prevent my body from getting cancer? What many people don't know about cancer is that we all carry the cell of cancer cells. It is just whether or not our cells react in a way that forms the disease of cancer. Pause. Although there is not a specific cure for cancer, many researchers have found helpful preventive actions to detour the body from forming the cancer cells within your body and infecting certain tissues of your body. Pause. Although there is not a specific cure for cancer, many researchers have found helpful preventive actions to detour the body from forming the cancer cells. In this report, we will be taking a look at some of the different types of cancers and what you can do to prevent them from ever forming in your body. We will be going over some of the most common forms of cancer, such as breast cancer, lung cancer, prostate cancer, liver cancer, and skin cancer, and helpful tips and diets that can help ensure that you live a cancer-free life for a lifetime. With these useful and information prevention, DIS-Strong prevention foods, DIS-Strong, etc. Although there are many different ways to start preventing cancer before it flares up, studies have shown that one of the most effective ways is through the types of foods we ingest in our bodies. Keep in mind that just because you eat a particular type of food, that it doesn't necessarily ensure the prevention of cancer forming in your body. But more or less, the balance of your diet and including these types of foods long-term can be a preventive measure that can be taken to prevent cancer from forming in your body. So, let's take a look at some of the food items that have been tested and proven to help with the prevention of cancer. Pause and wait for this. Beans and peas contain saponins, which studies have shown to greatly decrease the growth of cancer cells. This in turn will slow the process of tumors forming. Pause. It is said that the saponins contained in beans and peas help stop the mutation and cluster of cancer cells from forming as well, and helps produce phytic acid, which has been tested and proven to greatly slow down the forming of cancer cells altogether. Pause. Berries are also a type of food that will help in the prevention of cancer. Many tests and studies have shown that the high levels of vitamin C within berries is proven to greatly reduce the production and forming of cancer cells. Spinach, collard greens, mustard greens, and lettuce. All of these green leafy foods contain carotenoids. Carotenoids have been tested and proven to successfully eliminate certain components within the body that are common when cancer cells form. Studies have also shown that these types of green leafy foods are very effective in the prevention of breast cancer, lung cancer, stomach cancer, and skin cancer mainly. Cabbage, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cauliflower. The components within these particular vegetables have also proved to be very effective in the prevention of cancer. Mainly studies have shown these types of vegetables to be beneficial to the prevention of cancer within the mouth, pharynx, stomach, and esophagus. Garlic is used in many different types of preventive cases, such as blood pressure, circulation, heart conditions, and yes, even the prevention of cancer cells from forming. It has been tested, studied, and proven to help in many different forms of cancer, such as stomach cancer, colon cancer, bladder cancer, and prostate cancer, mainly. Other helpful preventive cancer foods. Green tea, grapes, and foods that contain soy have also been proven to be very successful in the defense against the forming of cancer cells. Green tea is most likely the most powerful, as it is used for many eliminations of common ailments. It is very important that you incorporate all of these types of foods within your diet and have been tested and proven to help with the defense against cancer when used in a balanced diet. Breast cancer prevention. Breast cancer is one of leading forms of cancer in a woman's body. Although many studies have shown an increase in breast cancer in women due to the chemicals and toxins associated in the environment, the increasing levels of radiation, as well as genetic factors, however, there are helpful preventive ways that a woman can greatly decrease her chances of breast cancer forming. Let's take a look at some of the top preventive measures that can be taken and successfully help in the prevention of breast cancer amongst women. Poor lifestyle choices. With any form of cancer, having poor lifestyle choices can greatly increase your chances of getting cancer. And the same applies when it comes to breast cancer. Alleviating smoking cigarettes, drinking a high consumption of alcohol, and even the consumption of many different types of hormone medications can greatly increase your chances of breast cancer forming within your body. So making sure that you choose healthy lifestyle choices will greatly help in the prevention of breast cancer amongst women. Exercise. Although it might sound crazy to some, exercise has proven to be a great preventive measure when it comes to breast cancer. Maintaining a healthy routine of daily exercises not only gets your body working properly each day, but also helps the flow of cells, muscles, and all-around blood pressure within a woman's body. Choosing to do exercises such as aerobic and yoga exercises have been studied and proven to be a great factor to the prevention of breast cancer. Eating healthy foods and staying away from hormone-mimicking medications. Making sure that a woman consumes healthy foods as well as a healthy diet is also a great way to prevent breast cancer from forming. Healthy greens and vegetables are very important to have in your balanced diet and have been proven to greatly decrease the forming of cancer cells within the breast. Other studies show that consuming hormone-mimicking medications, such as birth control pills, will also greatly